Salesforce actually acquiring Slack work. Uh, Emily, does it make sense?
Well, Adam, just taking a look at what Wall Street analysts have been saying, right now they are saying that an acquisition of Slack by Salesforce would make the company a stronger competitor to Microsoft with its own suite of workplace management and workplace messaging software. We think about the Teams platform, for instance, that had been growing quite rapidly and has become a major competitor here to Slack and had been one of the forces that capped some of Slack's year-to-date gains. Now, just taking a look at where we are in terms of this acquisition news, remember that this is still a rumor at this point. The company is reportedly going to announce that it will be acquiring Slack in tandem with its quarterly earnings report tomorrow. That's Salesforce's quarterly earnings report tomorrow after market close. Now, taking a look at what the CNBC report also added is that the company would actually be purchasing Slack at a premium to where it is trading right now. Now, Slack currently has a market capitalization of about $24.5 billion. The shares traded higher by about 5% during today's session. And just taking a look at what Slack has been doing over the course of the past couple of quarters, we did see that stock sell off a bit after it reported its latest earnings report back in September, since it had fallen short of consensus expectations in terms of quarterly billings. Had been some concerns that Slack's small and mid-sized customers were seeing some pressure because of the pandemic, and therefore was putting pressure on Slack as a whole. So gave a bit of an inroad here for Salesforce to potentially come in and acquire this company, since those year-to-date gains had actually been capped a bit. But overall, taking a look at where that company has been trading, again, Slack trading higher on the news of the initial rumor last week of Salesforce's acquisition, and trading higher today with these additional details from CNBC.